Mae'r pwnc iechyd a gofal cymdeithasol a gofal plant yn ysgol maes y Gwendraeth yn ddewis poblogaidd iawn yn y chweched dosbarth. Rydym fel adran yn amfalchio yn ein llwyddiant ac yn ein cysondeb o 100% o A seren i E dros y blynyddoedd diwethaf. Derperir 2 gymwyster. Yma cychmanylion am y cwrs lefel 3 iechyd a gofal cymdeithasol egwyddorion a chyd-destynau. Mae cyflwyniad arall am y lefel A iechyd a gofal cymdeithasol a gofal plant. The health and social care and childcare courses are extremely popular as choices within the sixth form. As a department, we are proud of our achievements and our consistency of 100% pass rate of A star to E grades over the past years. We provide 2 qualifications. Here you can find out more about the Level 3 Health and Social Care Principle and Context. Information about the A-level course can be found on a different presentation. Mae'r cymwyster lefel 3 iechyd a gofal cymdeithasol, egwyddorion a chyd-destynau yn eich galluogi chi i feithrin y dangos eich gwybodaeth, eich sgiliau a'ch dealltwriaeth o fewn cyd-destun gwasanaethau iechyd a gofal cymdeithasol. Mae'n cyfle gennych i feithrin eich dealltwriaeth o ddylanwadau ar dwf datblygiad, ymddygiad a llesiant dynol. Fydd yna gyfle i chi hefyd feithrin dealltwriaeth fanwl o anghenion cymdeithasol, corfforol, emosiynol a diwylliannol pobl sy'n defnyddio gwasanaethau gofal a chymorth ac yn cydnabod bod gan bawb ei galluoedd a'i anghenion unigryw eu hunan. Fe fyddwch hefyd yn ennill dealltwriaeth drylwyr o sut mae darpariaeth gwasanaethau yng Nghymru yn cefnogi datblygiad a llesiant unigolion i'w galluogi i wneud penderfyniadau gwybodus nawr ac yn ddiweddarach mewn bywyd. The Level 3 Health and Social Care Principles and Context enable you to develop and demonstrate knowledge, skills and understanding within the context of health and social care services. You will have the opportunity to develop your understanding of influences on human growth, development, behaviour and well-being. You will also gain a detailed understanding of the social, physical, emotional and cultural needs of people who use care and support services and recognise that each individual has a unique blend of abilities and needs. You will also gain a thorough understanding of how service provision in Wales supports the development and well-being of individuals to be able to make informed decisions now and in later life. Drwy astudio lefel 3 tysysgrif iechyd a gofal cymdeithasol, egwyddorion a chyd-destynau, byddwch chi'n gallu meithrin a dangos eich gwybodaeth, eich sgiliau a'ch dealltwriaeth o fewn cyd-destun gwasanaethau iechyd a gofal cymdeithasol. Yn arbennig, byddwch chi'n gallu dangos eich bod yn gallu deall yr egwyddorion a'r gwerthoedd sy'n sail i ymarfer iechyd a gofal cymdeithasol ac yn gallu eu cymwyso. Fe fyddwch chi'n gallu deall y myfyrio sut y gellir nodi anghenion unigryw unigolion ac ymateb iddynt. Fe fyddwch chi'n dod i ddeall y modd y gellir hybu a chefnogi ymarfer a llesiant person ganolog o fewn y maes iechyd a gofal cymdeithasol. Fe fyddwch chi'n gallu datblygu ac yn gallu dadansoddi, dehongli a gwerthuso damcaniaethau o fewn y maes iechyd a gofal cymdeithasol. Fe fyddwch chi'n ymwybodol o newidiadau polisi yn y sector a'r modd y mae'r newidiadau hyn yn effeithio ar y gwaith o ddatblygu a darparu gwasanaethau, a fe fyddwch chi'n gallu defnyddio'ch sgiliau llythrennedd, rhifedd a chymwysedd digidol fel y bo'n briodol o fewn eich astudiaethau. By studying Level 3 Certificate in Health and Social Care Principles and Context, you will be able to develop and demonstrate your knowledge, skills and understanding within the context of the health and social care services, In particular, you will be able to demonstrate that you understand the principles and values which underpin health and social care practice and apply them to a range of health and social care contexts. You'll be able to understand and reflect on the ways in which individuals' unique needs can be identified and respond to them. You will be able to understand ways in which effect person-centered practice and well-being within health and social care can be promoted and supported. You'll be able to analyse, interpret and evaluate theories in health and social care and reflect on how they could influence practice. You will be made aware of changing sector policy and how these changes affect service development and delivery. And you will also use your literacy, numeracy, research and digital competency skills as appropriate within your study. Mae'r cymwyster Lefel 3 Iechyd a Gofal Cymdeithasol, Egwyddorion a Chyd-destynau yn addas i ôl 16 oed ac bod gennych diddordeb mewn dysgu mwy am eich sectorau iechyd a gofal cymdeithasol. Mae'r cymwyster yn cynnig llwybr dilyniant addas os ydych wedi astudio tygau iechyd a gofal cymdeithasol a gofal plant. Mae'n hefyd yn addas os nad ydych chi wedi astudio iechyd a gofal cymdeithasol yn flaenorol, ond eich bod ar gallu i astudio Lefel 3. The Level 3 Health and Social Care Principle and Context Qualification is suitable for post-16-year-olds who are interested in learning more about the health and social care sectors. The qualification will provide a suitable progression route if you have studied GCSE Health and Social Care and Childcare. However, it is also suitable if you have not previously studied Health and Social Care but are capable of Level 3 study. Asesir y cymwyster yma drwy gyfuniad o asesiad ysgrifenedig allanol ac asesiad di-arholiad. Mae yna 2 asesiad di-arholiad ac 1 asesiad allanol drwy arholiad. This qualification will be assessed through a combination of written assessments and non-examination assessments. There are 2 non-examination assessments and 1 external examination assessment. Mae 1 yn asesiad di-arholiad. Wedi ei farcio gan yr athro, a'i gymedroli'n allanol gan cybac. Bydd 20 awr yn cael ei dyrannu ar gyfer yr asesiad yma. Mae'n werth 25% o'r dystysgrif. Mae allan o 100 o farciau ac mae'n cynnwys 2 dasg, ysgrifennu adroddiad a llunio pecyn gwybodaeth. Unit 1 is a non-examination assessment, marked by the teacher and externally moderated by WJEC. 20 hours will be allocated for this assessment. It is worth 25% of the certificate. It is out of 100 marks and it includes 2 tasks, writing a report and producing an information pack. Mae 1 yn asesiad allanol drwy arholiad, sydd yn awr a 45 munud o hyd. Mae'n werth 50% o dysysgrif ac mae allan o 100 o farciau. Mae'n cynnwys amrywiaeth o fathau o gwestiynau sy'n cynnwys cwestiynau gorfodol yn unig. Unit 2 is an external examination assessment. It's 1 hour and 45 minutes long. It's worth 50% of the certificate and is out of 100 marks. And it includes a range of question types and only includes compulsory questions. Mae 3 yn cael ei asesu'n fewnol drwy asesiad di-arholiad wedi ei farcio gan yr athro a'i gymedroli'n allanol gan cybac. Bydd 20 awr yn cael ei dyrannu ar gyfer yr asesiad yma. Mae'n werth 25% o'r dysysgrif ac mae allan o 80 marc. Mae angen cyflwyno tystiolaeth ar gyfer tasgau gosod, a bydd y dystiolaeth yn seiliedig ar grŵp o unigolion o'ch dewis chi, a bydd angen i dystiolaeth cael ei gyflwyno naill llai fel podlediad, cyflwyniad neu fideo. Unit 3 will be internally assessed through non-examination assessment, marked by the teacher and externally moderated by WJEC. 20 hours will be allocated for this assessment. It is worth 25% of the certificate and it is out of 80 marks. You will need to produce evidence for set tasks, and this evidence will be based on a group of individuals of your choice, and the evidence will need to be either a podcast, a presentation or a video. Gall y cymwyster yma helpu chi symud ymlaen i gymwysterau eraill o fewn y gyfres Iechyd a Gofal Cymdeithasol a Gofal Plant, ac mae'n cynnig sylfaen addas ar gyfer swyddi neu prentisiaethau. All helpu chi drwy arwain at gyrsau addysg uwch, mae ymweisydd gan gynnwys iechyd, gofal cymdeithasol, y blynyddoedd cynnar, i'r therapi iaith a lleferydd, seicoleg, bydwreigiaeth ac iechyd galwedigaethol. The qualification can help you progress to further study within health and social care and childcare suite. It is also a suitable foundation for employment and apprenticeships. It can also progress to higher education courses in areas including health, social care, the early years, speech and language therapy, psychology, midwifery, and occupational health. Gwylir gwybodaeth am y pwyntiau UCAS. Here you'll find information about the UCAS points. Am fwy o wybodaeth, cliciwch ar y link isod. For further information, please follow the link below. Diolch am wrando. Thank you for listening.